Produce tomorrow. Dreams you lead me towards the paths I shall follow in life. Open my mind, touch my heart and soul. Thank you for all your guidance. With this namaste and good morning to one and all present here in this dara. Respected all your guests, teachers, and my dear mates. I am idolatry of Standard 7 is standing in front of you all to say a few lines to our respective tutors as a farewell speech. You are a vital part of our lives. Your teachings will remain as a memory with us till we die. You don't only force on academic development, but you also take into account character's development and Pirotaja. You understand what the students are going through and help us deal with the problems of this present COVID-19 pandemic, especially. You adapt yourself as and when the situation demands. You became our friends when we need a place to vent out and provide a shoulder to cry on when we are sad. You care and love us just like our parents. Do and give us great life advice. When it comes to the academic and professional field, your enlighten us with what to do. You all are not only teachers, you are a beautiful amalgamation of a mentor, a philosophy, a thought behavior, a friends, and above all a surrogated parents who are. Thank you giving us your precious time and love. May our Supreme Creator bless you all happy parenting.
Yo, give me something to dance to. Hands, everybody!
जब यो गोला इंदको आप जिमिन ही ना दोई नि तुम का कामले आहा आद का को जब यो गोला इंदको आप जिमिन ही ना दोई नि तुम का कामले Ye terdu terlo tam komchia Kagen taina ye dudaram Inter ke terlo kobu kota Yada kadana mundudaram Ye terdu terlo tam komchia Kagen taina ye dudaram Inter ke terlo kopu kota Yada kadana mundu daram Tam ageno apu kam lage ba Lakin karik lo asinam lage ba Tam ageno menam ageno apu kam lage ba
Pili ko
Amno apukam ngongne jikalake jab yo gola indako apu jimin hina toini tom takamale
kakenta injana tawa gomji kakamale
apu jimin hina toini tom takamale
Most respected Takusar, Gausar, and Tanguyan. Before starting my speech, I would like to thank all of you present here, as today is a very special day for all of us. I want to speak few lines about this program. I can't thank you enough for giving me all the love, cheerful, sharing so much time and having a great affection. This is a special day and wonderful moment for all of us and personally and events. More to me as it is farewell attendance, farewell party for our value and respected futures. You all keep us whenever we have a problem. Thanks for helping us. I still remember all the moments from the first day to the present day. Time passed slowly. A special and efficient relationship was attached with you all. Sometimes life does not stop for anyone. So just live with the memories and good moments that I have received a lot from this. I will never forget this days spent with you all in life. I would like to thank all the teachers for everything, and also would like to say sorry for my all bad behavior. So this is for everything. Students present here, I would like hearing this you will be inspired. You are not only a teacher, you are a beautiful friend of a monitor, a philosopher, a church bearer, a friend, and lived out. A supported parent to us, thank you for giving us for precious time and love. You are super creator, bless you all. Happy parents, and we should work hard until useless we achieve our goal. Be brave, not cowardice, and have faith in yourself. Thank you. respected elders, senior educators, executive members of all government students union, and my dear student friends. I Miss Nafita Khan, studying in class 5, would love to make use of this platform to present before you a speech on the importance of education. Education is a means of achieving a world of peace, justice, freedom, and equality for all. Education is extremely necessary for all. No good life is possible without education. It endorses the intelligence of human beings, develops his skill, and enables him to be industrious. Education gives you us a knowledge of the world around us and change it into something better. Education is a practical profession requiring specialist skill. By education and individual possesses knowledge about various aspects in life, becomes effort, and acquires the ability to think freely and uniquely. It helps a person to improve his mental, physical and spiritual level. Thank you.
Music, STK.
मैं दिन भर सोच में डूबूं, मैं रात में जागूं न सोऊं, तू ही मेरे सपनों में ओ सजना। मैंने पायल है चनकाई, अब तो आजा तू हर जाई। मैंने पायल है चनकाई, अब तो आजा तू हर जाई। मेरी सांसों में तू है बसा ओ सजना, जाना अब तरसा ओ सजना, आ जाना अब तरसा। आँख में गजरा, बाल में गजरा, बिंदिया जो लगाई रे, देख के मेरी मस्त जवानी चंदा भी शर्माए। मेरी चूनर उड़ उड़ जाए, मेरी चूनर उड़ उड़ जाए। चले जब ये पुरवाई, बजे दिल में शहनाई, तू ही मेरे सपनों का ओ सजना। चले जब ये पुरवाई, बजे दिल में शहनाई, तू ही मेरे सपनों का ओ सजना। मैंने चूड़ी है खनकाई, अब तो आजा तू हर जाई। मैंने चूड़ी है खनकाई, अब तो आजा तू हर जाई। मेरी सांसों में तू है बसा ओ सजना, आ जाना अब तरसा।
To one and all present here. Most respected, the excellencies, distinguished guests, talented youths, and my dear brothers and sisters. Today, myself, Nakin Riang of Class 9 student, standing in front of you to deliver a speech on the topic, the belief system. Before starting my speech, I want to say that this speech is for everyone present here, and especially for the students all present here. So let's start. The belief system is a feeling of absolute certainty. If you want to achieve anything in your life, you should have faith in yourself. You need to get certainty. Belief control results because you never take action towards something that you don't believe is possible. You can have all the education in the world. It doesn't matter. If you want to believe, you can do it. You will never get it. Do you think Serena would be the greatest female tennis player in the history without belief? Not a chance. The great athletes, the great teams, and the great personalities are great because they have belief in themselves. They believe when they are at the down. They believe when they were at the bottom of the rock. And they believe when no one else does. The belief system must be like, this is my dream and I will success. It may not be immediately, but absolutely and definitely. There is no doubt in my mind. This is my goal I have, this dream I have, and I will get it, and I will. Belief control your results because you will never take action toward something you don't believe is possible. In order to success, you must believe. In order to believe you are good enough, you must be good enough. If you are not there yet, get to work until you get the place where you know, where you will make it. No doubt it will make it, no doubt I will make it, I will get it, I will have it. Work on your weakness until it becomes your strength. Work on your flaws until it becomes your fire. Work on your problems until they become your power. You have to believe that something great can happen if there is no evidence. Be brave, not a cowardice. Stay fearless and never give up. Become the best you want it to be. And life is short. Keep moving on. No matter if you fall, you can again get up and try. And here some of our tutors were present who teach us in the previous class of the pre-tuition conducted by All Adi Student Union of Sekarwangun. It was very beneficial for me, not only for me but for all the students. And I am very fortunate enough and thankful to the elders to provide me a golden opportunity to speak here. And my teachers were very loving, caring and kind, and they are unselfish because it is said that time is very precious and time waits for none. But they sacrifice their time only to provide us knowledge, and I would like to thank them from the core of my heart. Thank you and have a nice day.